Tycon technology.
TyconPTT IP Radio System is a field-proven solution that combines state-of-the-art GPS tracking with nationwide two-way radio communications. Our reliable and secure instant communications service provides integrated GPS and SOS capabilities. It puts the mobile worker's mind at peace because they know in case of an emergency, they can be located the fastest way possible. TyconPTT significantly improves overall workforce safety in the field. Managing a remote workforce's mission-critical and day-to-day operations rely on communication lines that are always open and available. With our dispatch management software, you can locate and disable radios, create virtual geographic boundaries, manage emergency situations, track the location of employees in real time, retrieve location history of employees, and communicate through PTT calls. TyconPTT is the ideal communications solution for security, manufacturing, construction, transport, mining, law enforcement, and emergency services. Through our partnership with Digicel, our radio network has coverage in all major regions in Papua New Guinea, from the Highlands, New Guinea Islands, Momase, and Southern Region. Our core communications services include radio communications, personnel tracking, vehicle tracking, dispatch management, and SOS alert notifications. TyconPTT two-way radio systems are designed for rapid deployment. By registering with our two-way radio communication service, you can communicate with your workforce no matter where they are. Push to talk with interprovincial communications. Push to alert for emergency situations. And push to locate your personnel.